Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to update your Xbox Series X controller on your Xbox, and this is really easy to do. So you can see I have the Elite controller. This is going to be the same method as your normal one, but we want to go up to settings right here and then scroll on down to devices and connections and then go to controllers and headsets. Then under here you can see the controller, select your controller and then go to the three little dots for more options. Then right in the upper left it says no update available for me. If there's an update you should be able to see something that says update available, but you can still update it. So I'm going to press A on this and see if I can still update it. It says ready to update. This ensures peak performance. So let's go to update now. And then make sure this is motionless, and so I'm just going to put it down on the table. And then it's going to apply the update, and it's 100% because there's no update available right now. But it's applying whatever update there is. And it says no updates needed. Alright, your controller is ready to go. So I am good now. So if you bought a new controller, you probably want to go ahead and make sure you do this. Otherwise some features might not work correctly in some games. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.